Meaning of Heritage Open Days.
Heritage Open Days.
Heritage Open Days.
Heritage Open Days.
Heritage Open Days. Heritage Open Days is an annual event in England where historic buildings and other landmarks are open to the public for free in order to promote the country's cultural heritage. The event has been held since 1994 and takes place over 4 days in September. It allows people to explore buildings that are not usually open to the public, as well as provide access to guided tours and special events. Heritage Open Days aims to increase awareness and appreciation for England's rich history and heritage, while encouraging people to engage with their communities and local landmarks.